I'm not coming home for 30 days, and my younger self always wondered what to pack for these types of trips. Well, younger self, I got you. For the next 30 days, without including layovers, I am visiting 7 states, 2 countries. I am catching about 8 flights, 2 trains, and about 3 days of full driving. New York City, Tennessee, Oregon, California, São Paulo, Connecticut, and then Texas. During those days, I'll be working, filming, helping my family move, vacationing, and of course, working out. So I've been consistently traveling for almost a decade now, and there are very few things in this world that I can say I truly have experience with and I understand. And traveling solo is one of them. And I decided to make you a list of the things that I pack. I gotta chase these chickens. The things that I pack, along with some tips that I wish I knew 10 years ago that would have made my life a lot simpler. Chickens. Okay, let's talk about clothes. This is what I pack as a minimalist for a 30-day trip, which I'm not gonna go home. So I picked this room because it kind of represents my philosophy in terms of clothing and how my backpack looks. I don't have a lot of clothes. I don't own a lot of clothes, and I would say that realistically, I pack for about 10 days. Right? If I have enough clothes for about 10 days, I am good to go for whatever trip I got. Obviously, if I'm doing a 10-day trip, I'll pack for 3 or 4. Here's what I actually pack. So there's 4 shirts total. They all kind of look like this. In this video you saw a green one, so that's another. I have a white version and a blue version of that, so those are the 4. Pants, I got 2. In terms of t-shirts, I have 4 t-shirts that are non-gym t-shirts, and then I have 2 shorts that kind of go with mostly anything and everything in my outfits. Same idea. And then finally, gym stuff. I have 2 shorts and 4 t-shirts because I am planning on working out 4 days, at least 4 days per week. In terms of shoes, I have a barefoot one. I have white shoes that you saw, I think, on one of the B-rolls. And then I have Havaianas, which are like Brazilian flip-flops. And then you might be already thinking, it's like, please, this might already be, too much. I kind of wanted to have nice clothes because what if I go on a date? Like, what if I have a nice date or a place that I need to go that I just kind of need to look nice? Maybe I have a date. The other 2 things is that I have 2 light jackets, and I'm actually bringing 2 watches. Totally not minimalistic of me. Crucify me, I get it. That's fine. Do your thing. Call me out. I guess I'm really digging deep here. Here's what I pack as a minimalist going on a 30-day trip, hygiene edition. So let's start with the basics, which is really simple, toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. So you need to floss, bro. In terms of face and hair stuff, TikTok made me buy these 2 guys. I feel like this is like a moisturizer situation, and then this is sunscreen. They both work. They're both nice. In terms of smell, dude, you need to smell good. I say dude, and I'm talking to everybody, okay? This is my deodorant. Works for me. I did go route the path of like those theoretically natural deodorants and all. And I'm not gonna show my cologne because I have this I have this thing that happened to me when I was on a date, and this girl, like we're talking to this girl, she's super nice, she's super sweet, and she leans over, I can smell her perfume, and it's my ex's perfume. I was like, over from that moment on, I made a pact with myself. I would always try to smell just like myself, meaning the cologne that I wear, I have not met anybody that wear the cologne. It's not super common. So that way, when people smell me, they associate that smell with me. Chances are that they won't have another person that they can associate that smell with. So it's kind of, yeah, I'm weird like that, I know. So tell me about it. In terms of hair stuff, I went down of going the modern mammal route, which is basically a no poo situation. My cousin got me into it, and so it looks like this. And little tip, if you have containers like this, if you have any reason to think that they might pop off and they might just, get over your bag and stuff, just put them in a little plastic like this. It happened to me once, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna do something else. Then this is leave-in conditioner, and then I have a hair putty, so my hair kind of stays to some extent back like this. Nail clippers, razor, and then finally, I also have an electric razor. I just didn't bring it downstairs, but I'm bringing those so it's easy to take care of. And then, finally I can put everything over here except for the electric razor. And it's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. And then, carry that around. So, Luis from the past, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I know that Luis from a few years ago would have certainly appreciated some of these tips, and it would have saved me so much stress. If you like to travel, if you like minimalism, or if you like time management, or if you like learning, or like, not wasting time learning, I'm your guy. Stay around. I have a video production company, and I actually fly to my clients, which is why I get to talk about this stuff too, which is pretty neat. So, thank you for hanging around. I hope you have a fantastic freaking day, and you press some buttons here so I show up in your feed again and to other people that might benefit from it. Take care.